The BAS hangars are super busy this week. 7 aircraft and 7 unique stories, from twin-engine turbine aircraft to classic home builts to trainers that have taught generations how to fly. BAS is helping keep aviation alive one part at a time, and the BAS mechanics are already hard at work on this new crop of aircraft, making every part and component that's possibly available ready for the world. Let me show you what we're working on this week at BAS Part Sales. Now, the Robinson R-44 is the helicopter that conquered the world, but this one met its fate when a loss of power forced it to meet mountainous terrain a little too quickly. Now, our mechanics will recover a long list of parts and components from this helicopter: the Lycoming O-540, the Garmin avionics, and lots of rotor components. And all of those parts and components will go back into the R-44 fleet all over the world. Next, we have the Piper PA-31T Cheyenne. Now, this is a pressurized workhorse with a 1970s retro corporate style. We'll get lots of good things from this aircraft, including the Garmin suite of avionics, the heated windshields, all sorts of interior components, and will help keep the Cheyenne fleet alive all over the world. Now we have a true classic, the Cessna 172B Skyhawk. Now, this aircraft did not wreck. It lost a fight with a windstorm. You should really see the other guy though. We're gonna get lots of goodies from this airplane. We're pulling the O300 engine. It's got Garmin and King radios and lots of good hardware. It's not bad for an airplane that's decades old, and it will keep many other 172s in the air. Next up, we have a Lancair IV. Now, this is a kit-built rocket with a twin-turbo Continental engine, and it looks really good zipping through the air. We're gonna get lots of goodies from this aircraft. It undershot the runway, leading it to the disassembly process here at BAS Part Sales. We're gonna recover the Continental TSIO 550 engine. It's got G3X glass and a Garmin 530 and lots of Lancair components. The parts will be available soon. If you need something in a hurry, call us now. And finally, in the piston hangar, we have the Piper PA-24250 Comanche. Now, if aviation had a grand touring category, this would be at the top of the pile. Now, this aircraft comes to us after a forced landing caused too much damage, the aircraft totaled, and our mechanics are already disassembling. We'll get lots of good things from this Comanche, including the O-540 engine, dual Garmin G5s, a GFC autopilot, the classic control surfaces, and much more. That's what we love here. Nothing is wasted, everything gets recycled. Call BAS Part Sales if you need Comanche parts.
This week in the turbine disassembly hangar, we have a Cessna Citation S550 or S2. While this particular aircraft has reached the end of its flying days, its story doesn't end here. We're going to get lots of goodies from this aircraft, including a Pratt & Whitney JT1 5D engines to the smallest fittings. They'll all be researched, carefully removed, and given a whole new life. At BAS Part Sales, the teardown process ensures that quality components from aircraft like the S550 continue to keep Citations flying safely for years to come. This Cessna may have retired from the sky, but its legacy lives on through parts in other Cessnas around the world. This is the Beechcraft C90 King Air. The Beechcraft C90 was loved by passengers and pilots alike for its smooth handling, quiet cabin, and incredible versatility, serving business travelers, military crews, and even government fleets all around the world. Now, after years of faithful service, this King Air's flying days are done, but its story is not over. Through our teardown process here at BAS Part Sales, its components will take flight again, keeping other King Airs flying high in the sky. From one chapter to the next, this Beechcraft C90 may have retired, but its legacy will continue to live on. From turbines to tail draggers, every teardown that we do keeps the aviation story going. We're not selling aircraft, we're saving history one part at a time. Follow us at BAS Part Sales for our new aircraft every week.